House Bill 10423, an act granting universal social pension to senior citizens, pending for the purpose Republic Act number 7432 as amended, entitled An Act to Maximize the Contribution of Senior Citizens to Nation Building, grant benefits and special privileges, and for other purposes.
As reported by the Philippine Statistics Authority, the number of Filipino senior citizens was approximately 9.2 million in 2020, and this demographic is expected to rise significantly in the coming decades. Currently, our elderly population bears a disproportionate burden of health expenses, with a staggering 59% of these costs being out of pocket. These financial strains are compounded by the limited coverage of pension schemes, with only about 30% of seniors receiving benefits based on their work history. Yet many of our seniors perform an important economic activity, and they are unpaid for this. And this is child care. Ika nga, apostolic ministry. Kung wala sila na tagapag-alaga ng mga apo, walang tagahatid sa school ng mga apo, hindi makakatrabaho ang maraming magulang. Many women will remain outside the labor force. Mr. Speaker, sa palagay ko, ay oras na magbigay halaga sa economic contribution ng ating mga seniors. So today, I stand before you to sponsor a bill of utmost importance, an essential piece of legislation aimed at securing the well-being and dignity of our senior citizens. This bill seeks to render eligibility for a social pension as mandatory for all Filipino senior citizens, expanding the provisions of the existing RA number 9994, also known as the Expanded Senior Citizens Act. Our seniors have been very grateful of the social pension for the indigent. Pero nagkakaroon po tayo ng malaking problema sa pagtutukoy o pag-identify kung sino ba ang indigent senior. Marami po, Mr. Speaker, ang nagsasabi, bakit ang kapitbahay ko kasama sa social pension pero siya po ay mas mayaman sa akin? Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa lahat nabibigyan ng karampatang pension. Less than half are currently covered by the program. So this proposal before us addresses these challenges head-on. Through this measure, indigent seniors will continue to receive their 1,000 pesos monthly pension, and the rest of the senior citizen population who are not currently covered will receive at least 500 pesos per month. By mandating a social pension for all seniors, we ensure that every elderly citizen in our country has a basic level of income security. Indigent man o hindi, may existing pension o wala, lahat ng senior citizens meron ng pension. Uulitin ko po, ibig sabihin, matik na ang pagiging kasapi sa social pension. Basta edad 60. May SSS pension man o wala, may GSIS pension man o wala, kasama na po. Therefore, I urge all my distinguished colleagues to support this bill, ensuring a safer, more secure future for our senior citizens, a future where their needs are not just met, but safeguarded with the full backing of our government. Thank you, Mr. Speaker and esteemed colleagues, for considering this vital piece of legislation. Maraming salamat po.
There's a motion to approve House Bill 10423 as amended. All those who are in favor, please say aye. Aye. All those who are not in favor, please say nay. The ayes have it. Congratulations. House Bill 10423 is hereby approved in second reading.